Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is very useful and this video is very good for the freshers batch because the Altimetrik top MNC hiring graduates 21-22 batch for the role of trainee, and what is the eligibility criteria, how to apply, full process discussed in the complete video. So let's start the video. Before starting the video, I want to share one point that is about the re-level test. Okay, so the re-level test is just related to have you want to work or want to work at India's finest company, so you can just take the re-level test, and the re-level score is accelerate your career, and you can access from anywhere in India online. There are so many packages, and as you can see that who can participate in re-level means if you are finding the best relevant job, and if you are freshers, and if you are finding jobs in some careers perspective like business development or front end development or back end development, so there are so many job update. And as you can see that this is the re-level scores that you can see, and you can also download your full report and what are the skills and errors of knowledge. And the re-level hiring platform is very good because as we know that you can just join in 30 days after giving your test, and in 24 hours you will get your scorecard, so it will be very useful. And you can use your projects also, and what is the total work experience, what is your education, same as in back-end development, same as in business development. Okay, so the re-level platform is very good for freshers, and if you want to get your dream job, so you can just apply for the re-level test. Okay, so let's start the complete process that is related for the 2022 batch. Altimetrik is higher for the students and fresh graduate. They are looking for student and fresh graduate with an attitude to learn and grow in a fast paced environment. Okay, if you want to learn exploring new ideas, technology, and if you want to work with new technologies, so there are the this is the very good opportunity. And the Altimetrik is top 50 best place to work in India, ranked by the Great Places to Work Institute. Okay, so this is the very good MNC. What are the requirements here? If you are if you are students, means you are continuing your study, you are in undergraduate courses 21-22, you are eligible. And if you are fresh graduate, so you can apply for this job update. If you have a bachelor's of engineering, BE, computer science, electronics, or IT, and if you are done the MCA, or if you are pursuing MCA, so you can apply for this job update. Eligibility criteria is class 10th 7 point and above CGPA, class 12th is 70% and above CGPA, undergraduate is 70% and above CGPA 65% with no backlog. Okay, so this is the undergraduate criteria, means this the undergraduate batch is eligible for this job update. What is the good communication and attitude? Okay, so the location is Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Pune. And if you have any query, so you can just write to jumpstart@altimetrik.com for any other queries. Okay, so the hiring will soon start for the role of trainee, and there is a online test, or there is a technical HR or technical interview round, or the HR interview round. You can apply just simply by filling this form. You have to fill your first name, last name, what is your email, mobile phone number, state, region, okay, your class 10 CGPA, your 12th CGPA, your preferred location Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad and Pune. Okay, so these are the 4 location, and what is your degree and undergraduate score in CGPA, and you have to upload your resume and just apply now by clicking on apply now. Okay, so this is the complete process that is related to Altimetrik, and this opportunity is very good for fresher. I hope this video is useful for everyone. If you have any doubt, you can drop your query in the comment section. If you find good content, please like and share the video. Thanks for watching the video.